Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing today? Excuse how I'm looking, child. But I'm actually up. I've been up for a little while. I'm just not dressed. I'm still looking like nighttime or whatever. But what I'm in here doing is cooking up some dinner and stuff. It's still early, but I just went ahead and got my cleaning and cooked up some breakfast, and then now I'm cooking dinner. Just going on get that out of the way. That way I can be done with dinner early, and then I ain't got to worry about it later on tonight. Hold on, looking for some paper towels. So I'm actually working and cooking. So I got me some y'all getting a video for some liver and onions, but I'm actually cooking some more liver today for grandma. I'm actually cooking some more today for grandma, so that's what I'm cooking right now. I got the last couple of pieces over there in my bowl that I need to fry up. I'm making the gravy right here in this pan. So I got some onions and stuff cut up in this liver that I'm frying or whatever. But y'all already got a video on that. But yeah, me and Bae, we not getting no dinner today. We just really wanted some quick stuff for dinner. You know, because yesterday we made plans on having us some pizza. And I had bought a pizza from Sam's Club. And so that's what we're going to be having, us some pizza and probably some chicken tenders. I don't know. But I know pizza is on the menu, meat level pizza. So we're going to have us a slice of pizza and maybe some tenders or maybe some cheese sticks or something like that. I don't know yet. But grandma, she don't need all that bread and stuff like that. So I know how she is when it comes to, eating quick stuff all the time. Her sugar, between her and her sugar, they greedy, y'all. And so I got to cook her some meals and stuff like that. That way it helps keep her sugar good or whatever. So that's what I'm doing. And this is the perfect time to make her some more liver. She enjoyed that or whatever. So I asked her, I said, well, do you want you some more liver? She was like, yeah, I'll take some more liver. So I gotta wash these dishes over here, y'all, but that ain't gonna be a part of this video. I'm just on here pretty much just vlogging my morning or whatever. And that's about it. Excuse my mouth, it's just ashy, dry, whatever. Toothpaste dry my mouth out, y'all. But yeah, so I'm just over here cooking up our food for today. Well, her food for today. Alright, so I got my onions and stuff. I'm just about to put me some flour in here. Start making this roux for this gravy. Just brown this up a little bit. I really want no thick gravy. I just want a little light little gravy. Ooh, making a mess. Okay, but yeah, that's what I'm doing, y'all, and also working and stuff like that. I'm in the editing up videos. Well, actually I'm downloading one now to go on my see, I'm not gonna be me. Download one to go on now. So while that's downloading, I'm just, occupying myself doing other things that I need to do and stuff like that. So yeah, I might take out something for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be leftovers for us. I know for a fact. Well, no, tomorrow is gonna be leftovers for grandma, and then I'm gonna cook something else for us because we don't eat the liver. So I'm gonna cook something else for us. So we'll eat that on Friday. Then Saturday, all of us will be eating the same leftovers. So that's how we're gonna do that. But I don't know what I'm gonna be making tomorrow. I gotta look at my freezer and see what I want. They always tell me my mom is chicken. And I buy a lot of chicken, so of course I'm gonna have a lot of chicken meals and stuff like that because I buy a lot of chicken. But it is what it is. As long as they being fed, then I'm all good with all. Say, all right. But anyhow, so yeah, how y'all day going? I hope y'all day is going good. Mine is going good. Just busy this morning, which I'd rather be busy than doing nothing. So, hey, it is what it is. Gonna take this other level up right here. But yeah, so it's been busy. But I thank God for another day. Putting first on my body to see it. Alright, so that's that lily, y'all. Right there, right there. Okay, so I got the food simmering. And so I got a few clothes that I need to put up, but that's not going to be a part of this video neither. I'm just taking it on in the room, my basket. Oh, shoot, y'all, sorry. My bad. And I ain't got a chance to make my bed yet because I'm going to show y'all why. Mary Jane wanted to sleep in a little late today, y'all. So I didn't even get a chance to make my bed because of this little one here. You gonna tell him, hey, Mary Jane? So that's why I ain't made my bed yet, y'all. But I ain't want to disturb her because I know I was in here. I know I was in here vacuuming and stuff like that, so I closed her in my room while I did all of that because, you know, she's scared of the vacuum and stuff like that. So I really don't have much left to do. I didn't come on when I got started preparing this liver and onions. Don't wash all my clothes. Don't put clothes up. I only got like a couple pieces to put up. That's about it. Dishes need to be washed. So that's what we're about to get ready to do. I'm about to let Grandma make a video for y'all washing the dishes. And I guess I'm about to go and get me a shower once this here get done and I get the food in the bowl. Go get me a shower, put me some clothes on, and just lounge around the house today. So I really don't have much planned for today because I ain't really got much to do. I need to finish editing some videos and got a few important things that I need to do, but I think I'm gonna do that once I get this video uploaded, which I'm doing it now for this channel. Now I told you I was working on a video for this channel, so I'm about to upload. Well, that video is actually uploading to YouTube now, which y'all won't be able to see it until I get ready to post it. So yeah, that's what I got planned. Nothing really major for today. And that's about it. Alright, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. I don't know if the next clip is going to be today or tomorrow, but I'll see y'all in the next clip.